Alright, I've just installed a new Thrush Welded dual chamber exhaust. Basically it's like a Flowmaster knockoff on my 84 Supra. And I'm doing this at nighttime because it's quieter here in Dallas. And I'm sure my neighbors will love me, but that's okay. And it does have a 6-cylinder in it. It's naturally aspirated, 5 MGE. You can kind of see it sitting there. Standard Supra. Removed the catalytic converter. I did all the welding myself. Mounted it up. And let's see, here it is. It's kind of cold right now. The car, me, and Dallas. But I'm going to set this on the ground, give it a couple revs. I'm sure people will love me. We're about 15-20 feet away. That's what it sounds like inside the cab. So, anyway, that's my Supra video. I'll make another one with daylight and just some other stuff besides exhaust. That's a Thrush Welded 2.5 and 2.5 out, adapted from 1 3/4 stock Supra exhaust. Like I said, ditched the cat, ditched everything, and it's got a downturn exhaust. If y'all want to see that, let's see. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's dumping right. It's dumping right behind the driver's seat, in between the passenger seat and the driver's seat. So in between the two seats. So. Now that we've pissed off enough people, good day.